Let's rescue my friends Peace Lilies and Hope Philodendron. They came to my house for dinner one night and brought these sad plants with them. So I'm going to show you how I turned them around. First up was pest control, and I sprayed them down with the white oil because they had thrips. Next up was to remove all the dead foliage and also to change out the soil. I removed a lot of leaves, both the ones that were completely dried and the ones that were looking yellow. This may seem like a harsh approach, but removing all these leaves helps the plant focus on new growth instead of trying to repair these dying leaves. Once all the leaves were removed, it was time to have a look at what was happening with the roots. And let me tell you, I'm not sure these plants have ever been watered in their life. It was some of the driest soil and driest roots I'd ever seen. I removed all of the soil and a lot of the roots, and at this point I decided I was going to turn one of the peace lilies into a hydro plant. As you can see here, these roots are super dry, and my friend was also obsessed with the hydro plant that I had, so I thought it was a good opportunity to make her one. So we have quite the destruction zone, and I threw all of this out. The soil, the old leaves, the pots, even this tarp all went in the bin because I didn't want any thrips or issues getting into my plants. With that, I put the 3 plants straight into a solution of water and fertilizer, and I left them to absorb overnight. You could see how dry and thirsty they were. They were already looking so much better the next day with the proper hydration and with removing all that dead matter, so it was time to put them in new planters. I then gave them another spritz with neem oil to make sure that any other pests were caught, and they were ready to go back from where they came from with some strict care instructions. This is your sign not to give up on your plants, even if they're looking a little sad. Most can be rescued.